Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can import your own PPTX presentations, for example created via Microsoft PowerPoint on Gamma AI to work with them here inside Gamma AI, or to ask the artificial intelligence to add changes or edits to that PowerPoint presentation. Or you can work on it manually, of course, if you like, here on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Gamma AI, log into your account, and all you'll need to do is instead of starting a new presentation here, simply click into import and select plain import, not AI import, but plain import, and select upload a file. As you can see, you can also upload your PowerPoint presentation. Simply click into browse files here, locate the file on your device, wait for the upload process to be finished, and after that it will appear here as listed as a presentation, guys, so that you may access it. And yeah, add changes to it, use the artificial intelligence to add edits to your slides and cards of the presentation, enhance it, improve the writing, look for mistakes in terms of grammar and style and punctuation, all of that stuff. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.